Abscission. It means to cut off, or separation. It is usually used for plants, flowers, etc. When leaves, petals start separate or fall from plants or tress, the word abscission uses in this sense. Now, divide or split the word abscission into two groups. As alphabet A and alphabet B, split or separate from the rest of the words. So, only scission word is left. Just scission word means to cut. Alright, guys. The word scission sound like scissor, so we take the word scission as a scissor. Imagine, there is a huge scissor. And alphabet A and alphabet B are doing to cut the leaves, petals, flowers from the garden. So, alphabet A and alphabet B are bussing to cut, to split, to separate the leaves from the garden. The story stop here. Abscission is a noun word, which is used for splitting, for separating petals, leaves, etc. Mostly it is used in the sense of plants, trees. For instance, if there is an autumn season, the petals, flowers, leaves start falling, gradually, from it. Synonyms of abscission: cutting, removing, separation, dividing, splitting. Abscission. 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 Thank you.